Extreme heat can push both your vehicle and your body to the limit. From overheating engines to driver fatigue and dehydration, hot weather brings real risks. In this Drive Smart video, we'll go through essential tips to protect both you and your vehicle when driving in extreme heat. Tip 1. Monitor your engine temperature. An overheating engine can leave you stranded or worse. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge. If it starts climbing, turn off the air conditioning and turn on the heater to draw heat away from the engine. If you see steam or a warning light, pull over safely and let the engine cool before checking under the bonnet. Make sure your coolant levels are topped up and your radiator is in good condition before hot weather hits. Tip 2. Check tyre pressure frequently. Hot roads and underinflated tyres are a dangerous mix. Heat increases tyre pressure. Check when tyres are cold and inflate to the recommended level. Watch for cracks or wear. High temperatures can accelerate tyre damage and increase the risk of blowouts. Tip 3. Stay hydrated and cool behind the wheel. Your focus and reaction time drop when you're dehydrated. Always have water in the car and drink regularly, not just when you feel thirsty. Wear light, breathable clothing and use sunshades to keep the cabin cool. If your car has air conditioning, use it sensibly, but avoid setting it too cold as that can cause fatigue. Have you ever had car trouble during a heat wave? How do you keep cool behind the wheel? Drop your tips and stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you handle extreme heat on the road. Tip 4. Don't leave people or pets in parked cars. Even with the windows cracked, car interiors heat up fast, dangerously fast. On a 30 degrees Celsius day, the inside of a parked car can hit over 50 degrees Celsius in minutes. Never leave pets or children inside even for a short stop. Always take them with you or make safe arrangements. Tip 5. Protect your interior and battery. Hot weather takes a toll on your vehicle's interior and electronics. Use sunshades or park in the shade to protect your dashboard and seats from sun damage. High heat can shorten battery life. Have it tested if it's more than 3 years old. Extreme heat doesn't have to stop your journey, but it does demand extra care. Keep your engine cool, your tyres checked and yourself hydrated. A little preparation goes a long way when the temperature rises. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more Drive Smart tips. When you drive smart, you drive safe.